Friends, you're listening to the RJ Hangout on Bollywood Shake Radio with Ruchika, Sobi, Akshay, Bhavin, and I am Amit. And before the song, we talked about a hot topic. Again, this segment is also known as WTF. That is known for WhatsApp, Twitter, and Facebook.
या अमित भाई, आप जब अभी WhatsApp की बात करते हो तो मैं बस यही बताना चाहता हूँ, और ये मैं महसूस करता हूँ, आज की दुनिया में सर उठा के वही जी सकता है जिसके पास WhatsApp ना हो.
सही बात है.
That is so true. That is so true. अक्षय भाई, समझदारी की बात तो कर ही लेते हो आप. है ना? So okay, so we talked about this issue that we are bringing up is AIB knockout. Everybody's heard it. If you haven't heard it, AIB is a group of, I won't say their name.
Comedians.
The comedians, but they are also ex-IITians. And these friends got together and they do a lot of spoofs. And they held an event called the AIB Knockout Roast starring Ranveer Singh and Arjun Kapoor.
Right.
And the whole issue started about freedom of speech, what should be said, what shouldn't be said. Pura mamla bahar hai.
It was pretty out there. They used a lot of
here's the thing. When you say pretty out there, what I mean,
like unconventional, lot of bad language, lot of bindas type of talking.
Okay, I'll say that first. I'll be the first one to admit. Okay, I find Desis are so hypocritical. They're so hypocrites. The same people will go to any of the comedy clubs locally, and they'll enjoy it. There'll be the people standing and applauding. What happens when one of their own does it? Whatever happened to freedom of speech?
Well,
if you don't like it, dose it off, turn it off. That's where I stand.
Aamir Khan was very vocal about.
That's his opinion. I respect
being
that.
Against it, and but he was successful because now they've cancelled their tour. I mean, that's the Pune tour was supposed to start on March 7th, and
they
it's
canceled
cancelled.
that. They canceled that.
How long did they get to tour for? Do you know?
You know what, Sobi? I think for a week or two it was so hot that they've received millions of views. Am I right, Bhavin?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's still on YouTube for those of you that want to go watch it.
It's not. They have taken it out. The official video has been taken out.
Yeah, but there's some other versions.
Yeah,
that
there's
you
some.
can
I
catch
mean,
out there.
there's no way we're soliciting that, but I'm just.
Yeah, and I think
is out there.
Aamir Khan took one stand, but I think a lot of the industry people are supporting it for freedom of speech.
The reason why I brought this up is because all of us here in the studio, we are all, one way, shape, or the form, we are also exercising our rights of freedom of speech. And that's the reason why I brought this up. Each one of you are an RJ. You express yourself. How far can you go? How far do you go? That's why I brought this topic up.
नहीं, I think we can't go too far, क्योंकि वो हमारी जो upbringing है ना, उसमें सभ्यता और संस्कृति का
Pandora's box, okay?
सभ्यता
we'll
और
keep that on. We'll talk about the सभ्यता and संस्कृति at some other day.
अरे मुझे पहले बात तो करने दो. सभ्यता और संस्कृति का नकाब पहन के फिर हम कुछ
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
यही सच्चाई.
That's the hypocritical.
That's exactly what I said. That's exactly what I was referring to. But anyway.
But मैं ये बोलने वाली थी, पहले AIB रोस्ट गया, अब बीफ रोस्ट भी गया.
Yes.
क्यों? महाराष्ट्र में they have banned beef. I mean,
is it true? I've read it that you can go to jail for that now. If you were caught with the possession of beef, you can end up.
All I can say
again, this is in Maharashtra, India. We're bringing in all the news from different parts.
Right. Yeah. Definitely, freedom of choice is at stake.
Good one, Ruchika. Good one.
So what was that? AIB roast is out, and now what was the thing? I like that.
पहले AIB roast गया, अब beef roast गया. And then it's such bull. I mean, really. And no one's saying well done.
Stop. I think we got the point.
And I've got one more. Will these people ever stop?
Okay. Save the cheesiest one for last.
Cheese, the girl from Wisconsin.
Yes, that would be me.
Go ahead, Bhavin. You want to say something?
Yeah, Amit, but I think in all seriousness, I agree with you with freedom of speech and everything. But I think the medium is very important, where you present yourself. So I think that's one thing Aamir Khan raised, the way it was presented and the medium.
Listen, I have utmost respect for Aamir Khan. That's his opinion. That's where he stands. What I'm saying, this is where I stand.
Correct.
But what I say is, I want my burger. I had McDonald's. Amit, you were there.
Quarter pounder.
A quarter pounder for lunch.
No, but I want my next song now. Please.
Sorry, sir. This is Sobi's turn now.
Oh, it's my song. My song, Arak. This would be Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan, correct?
Yes, this is Nusrat. Yeah, that's what.
And I'm just making sure you knew. I already
yes,
knew that.
and by the way, I'm also a huge fan of Khan Saab. I think he's
He is amazing. He's pretty
he
amazing.
was really. I mean, he is still. He's a
Yes,
legend.
Absolutely.
Ga